Okay, all right, and we're back. So we are going to go over homework number 18 for today, Tuesday. All right, on page 737, number 21 through 25. Now, I really want to go over 21 just to show you something. And then let's do 23. Okay, I think that's a good one. So 21, 23. Okay, all right. Let's see, 21. Okay, now 21 is 40 over 50. Now I wanna make a point. Maybe I mentioned this in class already. If you see a zero on top of another zero, just cross it out. That's it. Now sometimes you have to exercise precaution and because you want to see if your answer can still be further reduced. In this case, it's not. It's already in simplest form, and that's that. Okay. Now, if you insist on doing it the way we've been doing in class, and you want to find the greatest common factor or not, right? You can do this. You can reduce it by 2. Now, I'm going to do a slightly faster method today. What you're going to do is just cross it out. Okay, so I'm going to cross this out. I should have just erased it. Yeah, much better. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to reduce it by 2. So 40 over 2 is 20. Right? 50 divided by 2 is 25. And then you can go again. What can go into both 20 and 25? That's right, 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Same answer. Okay. Now, one thing I want to point out to you, because some of you might get too happy with crossing out the zeros. Let's say it's not 40 over 50, it's 40 over 500. Folks, don't cross them out like this. Don't cross this one out and cross the other 2 zeros out. No, you got to match 0 for 0 in the numerator and denominator. So you're going to go like this. Cancel, cancel. So I'm left with 4 over 50. Now, in this case, 4 over 50 actually isn't in simplest form, right? And then you still got to do more to finish, okay? But I'm just making the point here. You can only cross 1 0 with another 0, all right? You can't do a 1 for 2 or 2 for 1, okay? Won't work. Okay, now let's see. What else did I say I was going to do? 23, all right. Now, 23 is a good question only because perhaps some of you might struggle to find the greatest common factor. Actually, in retrospect, it's really not that hard. But let me ask you, what's the GCF here? All right, so you want to think about it. Think about it for a minute. Okay, you can pause the video too. Yes, 32. It's 32. So if you think 8, not really, okay? It's actually 32. So if you divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF, you would get 1/2 actually. Now, let's say you thought it was 8. So your 32 divided by 8, that's 4. 64 divided by 8, that's 6, right? You see that? They're still both even numbers, right? So you can reduce it by 2 again. Wait, did I just do something wrong? Oh, 8. This is 8. That's why. 4 over 8. So again, the greatest common factor between 4 and 8 is 4. So you could get 1/2. Okay, so just want to make a point here. Now originally I was gonna add something too. Let me think if I can remember it. Let's see, 32 over 64. GCF is 32. Answer is 1/2. Again, what I want to emphasize is it doesn't really what method you use. Okay, if you want to stick with GCF, go for it. I don't think at some point looking for the GCF is going to be more time consuming than just reducing it with like an 8 or 4 or even 2. Okay, that can happen. So the goal is to do this quickly. All right, and remember the ABCs of fractions, right? Always be canceling. Okay, numerator, denominator. Okay, all right, that's that. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.
OMG, that was so good.